Welcome to MarineMax Fort Myers. Today we're looking at a 38 Boston whaler Outrage. She has a jadestone hull, triple 350 Mercury Verados with joystick. Nice large expansive cockpit area, dive door on the port side. Cockpit table option here for the seating area. The aft deck bench seat will fold into the transom to make the cockpit area larger for fishing and diving, whatever activities you might have. You do have port and starboard trolling seats that are integrated into the hull side that fold out. Ray Marine hybrid touch plotters, also equipped with a seakeeper. Triple helm seats. There is a footstool that folds out of the console to give you a little extra height if you need it. Going forward to the bow area. Nice sun pad, bow seating, lots of storage under the sun pad for dive tanks, fishing gear, etc. Have another remote station up here for your fusion. Equipped with a FLIR, open array radar, isotherm refrigerator, nicely appointed interior on the vessel with separate head, rod holders on the port side. Very large head. Back up to the helm area. There are two air conditioning vents here that will help cool you down during our summer weather. Also retractable sunshade. This is our 2019 38 Boston whaler Outrage, MarineMax Fort Myers. Any additional questions, call 239-481-8200. Thank you.